Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow morning and see money deposited into your account, and you didn't even work overnight. That's exactly what affiliate marketing can do for you. In this video, I'm going to show you what affiliate marketing really is, how it works, and the exact steps you can follow to start today, even if you're brand new in 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build your first stream of passive income. Welcome to Passive Income Secret, the place where we break down real, proven strategy for financial freedom and making money online. If you're ready to learn one of the easiest ways to start earning, you're in the right place. Stay with me until the end, because I'll also share a bonus tip that can literally double your affiliate earnings. So what exactly is affiliate marketing? It's simple. You promote other people's products, and when someone buys through your special link, you earn a commission. Think of it like being a digital salesperson, but you don't have to create the product, ship it, or handle customer service. Here's how it works. First, you join an affiliate program like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Then you get your unique affiliate link. You share that link on YouTube, a blog, TikTok, Instagram, or even by email. And when someone clicks and buys, you get paid. For example, if you promote a $100 product with a 10% commission, you make $10 per sale. Just 10 sales a day, and that's $100 daily. Now, how do you actually start? Step 1. Pick a niche. Don't try to sell everything. Focus on one area people are passionate about, like fitness, personal finance, or tech. Step 2. Find products in that niche. You can use Amazon, ClickBank, or Impact Radius. Step 3. Create content, reviews, tutorials, comparisons, and honest recommendations. Step 4. Promote consistently. Show up every week with valuable content. And step 5. Build trust. People only buy from you if they believe you're genuine. So, how much can you earn? Beginners often make between $50 to $200 a month. Intermediate affiliates can pull in $500 to $2,000. And advanced affiliates, the ones who stay consistent, can easily make $10,000 or more every single month. The truth is, affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is one of the most reliable long-term ways to build passive income. Now let me share some mistakes to avoid. Don't promote too many products at once. It only confuses your audience. Don't recommend low-quality products because you'll lose trust instantly. Don't ignore SEO and traffic building because without people visiting your content, you won't get clicks. And finally, don't quit too early. Most people give up before they see results. Here's my bonus tip for you. Build an email list. Instead of just sending people straight to an affiliate link, offer them something free first, like a simple ebook or checklist. Once they give you their email, you can build a relationship and recommend products again and again. That's how the biggest affiliates multiply their income. If this video helped you understand affiliate marketing better, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss more tips like this. And tell me in the comments, which affiliate program are you most excited to try first? Thank you so much for watching. Remember, financial freedom doesn't happen overnight, but affiliate marketing is one of the best first steps you can take. Start small, stay consistent, and in a few months, you'll see real results. I'm wishing you success, wealth, and the freedom you deserve. See you in the next video.